Hi, for all of you that were wondering how to make your stereo a guitar amplifier, the solution's right in front of all our faces. You see, you don't need to open up your stereo and do a bunch of circuitry and stuff like that. All you need is a power source in between the guitar and the amplifier, and that source must be made to send a signal to the amplifier, so it does need to have batteries. And I'm going to show you this. This is an amp set or an amp setting saver. It saves different settings on the amp, and you can adjust them like that. It has different effects. This is basically the same thing. You adjust the settings, and when you're playing, you turn this on, and it plays with these settings, and then you turn it off and you go back to the old settings of your amplifier. So this is a very nice thing to have for what is it? You know, just basic amplifying your stereo. This is the NUX PG2. It takes 2 AA batteries. You have to buy the wall power source, separately, as you have to do with this guy here. You have to buy that separately too. The next ones are pretty much everybody knows them. They're little headphone amplifiers, and they're meant just for headphones. However, a speaker only needs a little bit of sound coming into it, and then you crank that volume up and that sound gets up there. So what you do is, instead of plugging the headphones in when this is plugged to your guitar, put an auxiliary cable in it, and then put one in your stereo. So that's the next part, but right now I'm going to show you what it sounds like if you plug your guitar up to a stereo. And the auxiliary cable is in, and at the other end, this line is a jack for playing the guitar, and it's on AUX, and I'm going to crank this up to 30. I think that must be just the guitar even, and the bass boost is on too. So now let's start getting realistic about things and start to prove my point, hopefully. So what you gotta do is, one second, I gotta get this guy out. You need to plug the output, which is going to be going into the input of the stereo, in here, okay? And then you plug it in the stereo. And then you take your guitar cable, and you plug it in to the input. So now that we have the preset, now this thing is on and good to go. Before the guitar gets to the amplifier, it has to pass by this. And because this is meant to adjust the amplifier's sound, the amplifier's sound, it in return allows it to be used with stereo. Okay. You definitely hear it, but now I'm gonna set the setting here so that it's a little bit okay. I even have to turn it down a bit. I hear my speaker crackling. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to get a clearer sound by taking down the gain and that will be for the NUX guitar or amplifier effects. So what's next? It's gonna be the pedal. Okay. That's weird. My pedal seems to have crapped out, but I do have something. Alright, now we should be good to go. Oh, I forgot to plug the main part of it in. Sorry about the delay here. Yeah, that's loud. I'm gonna turn it down a bit. Alright, so that's basically I accidentally turned it on to the radio. I'm actually using a Mexican standard Stratocaster, if anybody's wondering. And these are pretty much the same thing, self-explanatory. So you guys take care, and I'll see you.